If you're trying to install Grok Smart AI app and you are unable because you're getting an error, can't install Grok app, then in this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix this error. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, so to fix this, first you need to go ahead and open your Google Play Store on your Android smartphone. As you can see, I have my Play Store here. I'll tap on it. Then first, make sure you are trying to install while logged in. So if you had not logged in, go ahead and log in with your Gmail account. However, if you are logged in but you're unable to install the app, then proceed and tap on your profile icon and scroll down to settings. Under settings, look for this option called network preferences and tap on it to see further settings. Among the settings, look for app download preference and then choose this first option over any network. So I'll change from the last one to the first one like that, and then finally tap OK. So by choosing this option, this will ensure that you are able to install or download the app via the current network you are connected to. It will also work if you change even your network. At this point, go ahead and try installing the app and everything should be okay if you try to install it. However, if this does not work, then the problem might be with the Play Store app itself. For that, we need to go ahead and look for Play Store, then long press on it to access its app info page. Here, go to app info, or if you can see app info, you should see a settings gear or even the name of the app. Tap on it to access Google Play Store app info page. At this point, we want to clear the app data, and if I go to storage, you can see a breakdown of data stored by this app. Of importance is this cache data. When a lot of cache data accumulates, this might cause problems, among them being unable to install apps. To fix this, tap on clear data down below and choose the last option, clear cache, and finally OK. And now you can see we have the over 6 MBs of data and the cache has been reduced to 0. At this point, now go ahead and restart your smartphone, and once you have done so, go to Play Store again, search now for Grok, and now go ahead and try to install it. Now at this point, as you can see, my app is being installed, which means the problem has been fixed. So that's how you can fix can't install Grok from Google Play Store. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.